There may be times when working with a multiple cavity die that adjustments need to be made to align the cuts made by the die to the printed file. There are two possible scenarios. The cut is getting compressed and needs to be stretched, or the cut is getting elongated and needs to be compressed. Before making any rotary fix adjustments, it is important that the cut on the leading edge of the first label is in the correct position. First, let's review a compressed cut. In this image, the black squares represent the printed image. The red dashed lines represent the actual cuts made by the die. The cuts are compressed together and need to be stretched. To adjust for this, go to the settings screen on the UI. Enter in a negative value. Close this screen. Only adjust the number one at a time. Once a new number is entered, run the press to confirm the cut position. Cut 5+ pages before checking the cut position. If additional adjustments need to be made, change the value and test again. Note, this value can be changed as the press is running. Once the cut is dialed in, the cut and print positions will be aligned. If the cut position is elongated, the cut needs to be compressed. In this example, the black lines represent the printed image and the red dashed lines represent the cut location. The cuts need to be compressed. To adjust for this, enter in a positive value. Again, only adjust one number at a time. Cut 5+ pages and check the cut position. Adjust the value if necessary. Note, this value can be changed as the press is running. Once the cuts are dialed in, the cut and print positions will be aligned. This rotary fix value can be stored as part of the job library and can be used the next time this particular die is used. To save the information, go to Settings and select Export Parameters. Enter a name for the job and click Save. Close the settings screen. When exporting parameters, die length, gap size, and working mode settings are also saved. To import the settings, click on the settings icon and select Import Parameters. Select the saved job and click Open. This will bring in the saved rotary fix value, along with the die length, gap size, and working mode settings.